Hello everyone. Today we continue with chapter 8, keeping oneself clean, safe and healthy. And today's our topic is rest. Our body requires rest to cover from being tired. We need 8 hours of sleep to cover a tired body. Sleeping helps to give rest to both the body and mind. We know that we are doing a lot of work during the daytime. So, after that, we need rest. So, sleeping is the best way of taking rest, and it will help the mind and body to be fit. Remember, to be healthy, what we have to do? We need a balanced diet, regular exercise, enough rest. These three things are very important to be healthy. So we should do these three things if we want to make our body fit and healthy. A balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? Here in the picture you can see almost all the kinds of fruits, vegetables and non-veg also. All these food items we should consume in a correct proportion. That is balanced diet. It will help our body to be fit and healthy. A balanced diet is a diet that contains different kinds of food in certain quantities and proportions, so that the requirements for calories, proteins, minerals, vitamins and alternative nutrients is adequate. Second thing is regular exercise. We have already learned about exercise in the previous class. That in that class we have learned that exercise helps our body and mind to keep fit, and it also makes our muscles strong. So, and we have learned different forms of exercises also: pull-ups, push-ups, running, skating, cycling, skipping, swimming. All these are the different forms of exercise. Regular exercise is one of the best things you can do for your health. They keep your heart, lungs and circulatory system healthy and improve your overall fitness. And it will help to make our muscles strong. It will makes our muscles strong. When we exercise, we breathe deeply and take in more oxygen. This makes our brain work better. We have to exercise daily at least 30 minutes. And the third thing is enough rest. So in this category, sleeping is the most important thing. Sleeping is the most important thing in form of rest. You people, that means students and the children, they need at least 8 hours of sleep to cover a tired body. While sleep requirements vary slightly from person to person, adults need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to function at their best. And older people, they need at least 7 hours of sleep. Next, a small topic is there in your textbook, that is safety rules. We should always follow safety rules. They help us to avoid accidents. So, in order to avoid accidents, what we have to do? We have to follow safety rules. Here in the textbook, two safety rules are given there. Always walk on the footpath and cross the road at zebra crossing. These are the two road safety rules are given there in the textbook. And in the on the road we can see so many road signs also. Road signs help us to understand the things properly. Here in the textbook you can see 4 road signs are given there, and first one shows no parking, and second no horn, third school ahead, and 4 railway crossing. So all these road signs help us to understand the places and also the surroundings around us. So it will help the passengers, pedestrians, and those who are driving the vehicles. These road signs will help them. So draw or paste these road signs in your text in your copy and learn how to draw. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.